Ocuprime review, be aware of it. Ocuprime Vision Reviews. Is Ocuprime a new solution to support your vision and wellness? Hi, my name is Richard and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Ocuprime supplement, if you are interested in getting this solution to support your vision and wellness. And by the way, I also have two really important alerts, so please pay close attention to this video. If you or someone you love has vision problems, and you've heard from several specialists that this is natural, is due to advancing age or genes, and that the only resources that can minimize this are recurring appointments to get new glasses, or even eye surgeries, well, finally, this important research made by Trout and his team has revealed the real cause of vision problems. So it is possible and recommended to treat them differently. Trout, the creator of Ocuprime, reinforces that to keep your eyesight healthy, you should basically 1. Practice frequent hand washing. 2. Protect your eyes from the sun. 3. Stay hydrated. 4. Get enough sleep. And 5. Keep a balanced diet. Beta-carotene, lutein, omega-3, lycopene, and vitamin C, A, and E are essential for maintaining your eye health. Make sure that your diet is infused with different foods that are rich in those nutrients. Well, the thing is that most people don't have enough time to buy or prepare these kinds of foods. That's the importance of finding a product like Ocuprime. Because of Dan and his team, they have already included in this formula eyebright, quercetin, bilberry, lycopene, magnesium, rutin, grapeseed, zeaxanthin, and lutein. Plus other 15 useful vitamins and minerals, all of them having the mission to support your healthy vision. This is the #1 rated eye formula. In the creation of Ocuprime, Trout and his team have looked at more than 60 clinical studies to find the right ingredients to optimize eye health and vision, including night vision. So, all you have to do is to give it a try. Every bottle of Ocuprime comes with a full 60-day guarantee. You can try it out and see its effects on your eyes and vision with absolutely no risk whatsoever. Now, let's talk about the important alerts I told you before. The first one is, if you are interested in giving it a try, I'm here to help you. So you'll find in the description of this video, one of the links that goes to the official page of the original product, to avoid troubles getting to false websites. Do not worry because the retailer of this product, ClickBank, is totally safe and reliable. Right there you can also check more details, the incredible bonuses you will receive when purchasing 6 or 3 bottles of Ocuprime, and also, like I said before, Ocuprime comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 60 full days from your original purchase. So you risk absolutely nothing. The second important alert for you is, to obtain the desired results, follow the instructions for use correctly, ingesting the recommended daily dose. I really hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching it.